Council to establish this wetland. Is it for an individual or is it for Town Council? That's no, we are saying the land where this wetland is. Can I first speak? Number 2, after establishing whether this land has an owner, they should bring ownership. How did the ownership come? Number 3, we are seeing an activity going on of washing cars. And this river, people fetch the same water and consume it. Therefore, we are also asking the Town Council to immediately stop the activity of car washing, because the oils which come from this the washing, they go down in the river, and the river down there, it is consumed. Now it is going to become dangerous to our health.